Bombay Shaving Company. Beautiful product with awesome fragrance. Since Mumbai won against CSK in last match and I used that code, I got a special gift from Bombay Company too. And this is to Amma. This is a small gift pouch. Wow, you can keep your toiletries here. So here we have a travel pouch from Bombay Shaving Company. It's a cool one and the quality is also good. So I'm going to use this. And then the major product, we have an invoice copy here. So this is the invoice, Bombay Shopping Company. So far it's good. The experience inside, used before 2019. Since the bathing soaps are handmade and 100% natural, they are a bit costly too. Let us unbox them. If you want to order any products, you can go here. There you go. We have 4 bath soaps, purely natural and handmade. So this exfoliating bath soap from Bombay Shaving Company is a oil control, and this for refreshing, and this for moisturizing, and this for deep clean. This resonates colors a set of 4 bath soaps expertly crafted by hand with active ingredients that are 100% natural, and these soaps help soothe, repair and soften your skin by providing it with the nutrition it needs, as this company claims. And the shopping is also cool, and this is a magnetic pouch that closes and you can keep this well. So that's all for the day, and thanks for the videography credits to Amma.